the enormous attention generated by its marketplace and media services into an advertising business. The key insight was simple.
What do you think of that? I made that, all with the use of AI, and after watching this video, you might be able to do this too if you watch till the end. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create documentaries like the ones from Vox. Do you know the YouTube channel Vox? They make these ultra-viral documentary videos. They have over 12 million subscribers, and they make around $28,000 a month. Not bad, right? Well, today I am going to show you how you can create videos like them yourself with AI. And if you stick till the end, I will show you a secret free-to-use AI tool nobody is talking about. Okay, let's go. I made this entire Google Docs document for you, which you can find in the video description. This will make your life much easier. Okay, so first we need to copy the first prompt. Copy it in its entirety, and yes, it is quite long. Now paste it in a new ChatGPT chat and generate it. Now it gave us 50 topics to choose from. Pick the one you like and tell it. I will pick how Amazon became more than a shopping company. Okay, and now we need to decide how long we would like the video to be. For the purpose of this video, I will choose 1 minute. Okay, nice. Our script is done. Now open a new ChatGPT chat. Be sure to do this in a second tab, and copy and paste the second prompt in there. Yes, this one is also quite long. Be sure to copy all the text. And press generate. Now copy the script from the previous chat and paste it here. Now all our scenes are being created, including the image prompts. The next step is to generate all these images. We will use CapCut since we have a CapCut subscription. Go to Generate and then to AI Image. I choose the GPT Image 2 model, also because it gives us 20 free trials. Now copy the first image prompt like this. And now paste it in the prompt box. Let's generate it. This will take around 2 minutes and we get 4 different images. Be sure to save the image and choose a destination folder where you can find it. Here are the 4 images. You don't need to save all 4. Now, generate all the other prompts, and you can generate multiple images at once, so you don't have to wait for each generation individually. This process can take some time, but it will be shorter than mine, because I saved every image. I think it is better to choose one image and save that one instead of all 4. Okay, after that, it is time for the next step, bringing the images to life. I will show you 2 ways. The first one involves going to AI Video, and then add an image. I choose this model because the other models were too expensive. Now copy and paste the third prompt in the prompt box. And generate it. This is the result.
It all began with a single book, a vision that would later revolutionize an entire industry.
Okay, not bad. but I don't quite like it and the voiceover doesn't match what we are looking for. So let me introduce you to the other option to bring these images to life. Click on multi-frames. And now add the first frame and then the second frame. Copy and paste the fourth prompt. Change the duration to 5 or leave it like it is and then generate it. While that one is generating, we can generate all the other videos. Now it goes even faster because you now only need to delete the first frame. Then the second frame will go automatically to the front, and then you need to add the third frame, or in other words, the next chronological frame. Add the prompt, change the duration and generate it. Do this process for all the frames. This is the result of the first video generation from the second method. Yes, I like this method much more than the first one I showed you. After the videos are generated, be sure to download them individually and be sure to save them to a folder where you can find them again. Now we will add all the videos to the timeline and make sure that they are all in the right chronological order. Now we simply drop the clip that comes first to the top of the timeline and then the one that comes after, and so on. Perfect. Now we need a voice-over. We could do this ourselves, but no, this is the amazing secret tool nobody is talking about. Okay, first copy the script. And then we go to the amazing free text-to-speech generator. The link for it is in the description. Paste the script and be sure to remove things like beginning, intro, ending. Now here on the left we can choose out of a lot of different narrators for our script. You can click on preview on each of them and listen to a little demonstration of their voice. If you have found the perfect voice, be sure to select it and then generate the audio. If you want to know, I chose Andrew and was surprised how good his voice is, as well as the other voices that are here, all for free, guys. It is just amazing. Let's have a listen.
Amazon started by selling books. Today, its technology helps power businesses.
That sounds just amazing. Let's download it and add it to our timeline in CapCut. This audio will, in a way, serve as a skeleton of our project and determine how long the video clips will be. Now we want the visual to match the audio. A trick I used is to select multiple clips and then combine them as a compound clip and then stretch the videos or make them shorter. Now, let us add some background music. Simply go to the YouTube music library and search for some cinematic music. If you want to know, I chose A Light Through All the Darkness from Diala and add it to your project. Be sure to adjust the volume and mix it so people can still hear the voiceover. Now, click on Text and add a text. You don't need to do this, but I am now making a Vox-style logo in the upper right corner of our video. Do you see that? That shopping cart is moving. Well, now comes an optional step where we add sound effect. So let's look for a shopping cart effect. Or maybe even some paper sound effects. Yeah, these sound effects are optional and don't make or break your video. They will only add a little more detail and give a more immersive feel to it. Last but not least, we will add some filters. And one filter that is really nice is the center light. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Create amazing Vox-like documentaries and go mega viral. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also if you have any video suggestions, just let me know. See you in the next video. Bye!
Amazon started by selling books. Today, its technology helps power businesses. Its warehouses move products for other sellers, and its services reach far beyond a shopping cart. The surprising part is that Amazon's biggest transformation did not begin with a new product. It began when the company realized that the systems it had built for itself could become products for everyone else. In 2005, Amazon launched Prime, initially offering unlimited 2-day shipping for an annual fee. Then, in 2006, it opened its fulfillment network to outside sellers through Fulfillment by Amazon. But the bigger breakthrough came that same year. Amazon launched Amazon Web Services, or AWS, allowing companies to rent computing power and other technology over the internet instead of building everything themselves. That changed Amazon's identity. It was no longer simply a retailer. It was becoming infrastructure. A business could sell products through Amazon, store those products in Amazon warehouses, use Amazon technology to run parts of its operation, and reach customers through Amazon's ecosystem. Then came another powerful layer: entertainment and advertising. Prime evolved beyond shipping into a broader membership ecosystem, while Prime Video became a major streaming platform. Amazon also turned the enormous attention generated by its marketplace and media services into an advertising business. The key insight was simple. Amazon didn't have to sell only things. It could sell access to logistics, computing power, entertainment, technology, and audiences. That is why Amazon is difficult to describe as merely an online store. Its shopping business helped create an enormous network of customers, sellers, warehouses, data centers, and digital services. And once those systems became valuable, Amazon could offer pieces of that infrastructure to the rest of the world. Amazon's biggest achievement may not be that it built the world's most famous online marketplace. It may be that it turned the machinery behind that marketplace into businesses of their own. The store was only the beginning.